racer, innovative future tech. In a world where Drift Racer is king, comes a new next level. Get yours now at sternkin.com. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is the new and next level of Drift Racer. These are metal body Drift Racers. The detail is stunning. The way they handle, just like their original counterpart, but just with a little bit more swing, making it look more realistic. If you ask me, this is one of the best inventions somebody could ever make. As you can see, there are specific details on the car. Even this little badge over here. It's amazing. The spoiler is really dope. It's true to its original counterpart in real life. As you can see, the little Mercedes logo right up there up the grille. And of course, the drift license plate. All make it into a very unique piece. To me, this is RC art. Not only can you drive it, you can race it, you can drift it, and you can even use it for Gymkhana. Not only is it stock amazing, but you can upgrade it to its DTM version. Everything about this little car is amazing. Now, the formula is of course still the same. You still have your drivetrain in the middle. Everything looks really cool. They made new plates for the front and the back end to make this body fit. And of course they had to figure out a way to get the original lighting going. And just by a quick demonstration, the weight is balanced perfectly. As you can see right here, it's beautiful. Now let's turn on those lights. Turn these lights off. There you go. They work really well. It's amazing how they look. You can see the flashing a little bit because I'm using a camera, of course. But it works nicely. Let's turn around to the backlights. Let's do some braking action. It's just amazing. I love it so much. Now technically there's not much for me to review here because the formula is still the same. The only thing that really changed are some parts underneath the car to make the body fit, and of course the metal body itself and the weight it brings with it. But then again, if you ask me, the motto of this video should be, if it ain't broke, don't try to fix it. The formula of the original Drift Racer is so good, it could last forever if you ask me. It's unique, it's never been done before. Everything that you can do with these cars, driving on dry asphalt, wet asphalt, driving, drifting, racing, Gymkhana, there is nothing out there in the world that can do this. These cars are so unique and we can only wait for more licenses to come in the future. We are gonna get the ICE setup. We're gonna get a car from Japan. We don't know which one it will be, and there are gonna be more licenses. If you ask me, this is only gonna get more popular and it's gonna blow up even more than it already does. Here are some demonstration laps that I took a couple of days ago with the normal Drift Racer, and of course the new upgraded level 2 drift racer with the metal body. You can clearly see it goes very well over this track, which you can also buy at their shop. It's amazing. I've put some barriers up to screw around a little bit, and as you can see, the cars react superb, both of them. Like I said before in the review, if you ask me, the more heavy metal body drift racer has a little bit more swing in its drift and in its cornering, which makes it look really realistic. Quick example right here, if we put these right next to each other, you can see the weight regarding the wobble. And as you can see, the plastic one goes way quicker. Why? Because it's more light, of course. See the difference? So again, this can only benefit how to make it look more realistic. To me, everything is better with a metal body. I still love the plastic bodies, don't get me wrong, because they design them themselves. It looks really cool, but everybody wants to have their own licensed version with a metal body, of course, because the details are richer because of its metal body. And I think it's really cool that they have this collaboration with minichamps regarding these bodies. Again, like I said in the unboxing, the only flaw that I could find is that the mirrors are small. That's the only gripe that I have, but that's about it. These mirrors just look more sporty. And maybe when the car falls, if it would have a bigger mirror, it might damage it more quickly. These are the best cars. Either way, I can't wait to see what the future brings. They can only go further up from here. Everything is amazing. The contact with the community, the people that buy these things, or the people that are just fans of the company, everything is amazing. The people that work there, everybody only has love for each other. And all we want to see, of course, in the future is more licensed bodies. So if you're watching this and you have a company with a specific brand regarding a car, please get in touch with sturmkind.com. Ask Martin if you can put your licenses through, because that only means more cars for us to choose from. And everybody would like to have their own car as a mini variant to drive around on the carpet, or on their table, or on the floor, or even on the toilet. I love these things. I think they're super unique, and there's nothing like this. So what else can we say about the new drift racer, the next level? Well, it's an amazing and stunning looking car. You can choose between the normal BMW E30 versions and the DTM version, and of course the Mercedes 190 Evo 2 Black also has a DTM version. The cockpit and the sound also look and sound amazing, and it drives and drifts and races just the same as the plastic models. To me, this will have a special place in my heart, right next to the plastic models, because I still love those to death. But the Mercedes, especially this blacked out version, looks really amazing, and I can't wait to see the BMWs in the future. Of course, this is my only review version for now. I might see a BMW in the future. I really hope to get my hands on a Warsteiner DTM version of the BMW, because that's amazing as well. Please go to sturmkind.com to check out your version which you would like to purchase. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe. And check out my other videos. Thanks.